So today I'm going to share the two main things that you need to be focusing on if you're making less than $5,000 a month in your event and wedding planning business. Hi, I'm Jody Ann Rowe, founder of the Event Certificate, and I work with event planners and wedding planners to help them increase their online marketing. If you're struggling to find leads and book clients, definitely reach out to me, www.eventcertificate.com. So often when I meet clients who are not meeting their revenue goal or their target, one of the quick questions or quick tips that they'll always ask me for is, Jody, what do I need to focus on to bring in more clients? And while I wish that this answer was very simple and I could just say, well, go to the knot, click on this button and do this and you'll find a ton of clients, it's not always that easy. But there are two tips that I can actually give you just based on experience working with my clients that I can tell you if you focus on these two things, you will probably see an increase in your revenue if you're making less than $5,000. Now, here's the reason I have it broken down into categories, because depending on the income level that you're at, your focus is going to be a little bit different. So if you're over 5,000, you need to be focusing on something else. Because if you're over 5,000, that means you figured out how to get clients who are willing to hire you and pay you. And what you need to be focusing on is something like growth, so your growth strategies. But when you're under, here are the two things you need to focus on. So the first thing that you need to actually focus on is your client process, experience, and visibility. I'm going to repeat that, your client process, experience, and visibility. What that means is you need to know who are your clients that you're trying to target, where are they located, and how can you make your business more visible to them. So you got to think about your content. That includes your website. When people find you, what information do they see, right? What's that experience when they interact with your business? Because those might be the things that are blocking you from actually getting more people trying to work with you. So you have to fix those things first. So go to your website, go to your social media account, Google your business name and see if you come up, or just Google keywords, maybe Wedding Planner Atlanta, and see how far in the search you are. Check your SEO. I do have a video on this. Search the site and you'll find it. And go through all of that, because once you're aware of what your position is, then you can fix it. If you know that your SEO is really low, then you need to fix the SEO on your website. You need to be using more keywords, writing more blog posts. You need to be pushing out more content, right? Focus on those stuff to help you with the attraction phase, because you do need to attract the clients in so that you can hit them down and book them. Then the second thing, and this is the big piece that you need to focus on if you're under 5K, is actually the sales and marketing. Now, you'll notice I didn't say sales and marketing first, because believe me, if you're focusing on sales and marketing and your business is not really set up, right? You don't have your workflows in place, your website looks really bad, it's not designed to convert, your copy is not good, your social media content is poor. Doing sales and marketing is just going to be pushing a bunch of new leads to content that they don't relate to, and they're going to back away. So that's why that was number one. However, once you fix that part, then the second thing you want to focus on is the sales and marketing. So how to really land those clients that are ideal to you, how to find them, how to get in front of them, and how to show them that you are the perfect planner for them, right? So you need to check out all the marketing options available to you. Do you need to be running paid ads? How do you do that? Set those up, hit them out, get them booked. So if Facebook ad is the stuff you're struggling with and you've never ran one, now is the time to do it. If it's that you're not on the Knot or not on Wedding Wire and you wanted to try it out, this is the time to do it. If you're using social media but it's not going well and you change up your copy and now you're ready, now is the place where you want to ramp it up, push out more posts, really connect with people. This is the time to do it. So focus on those two things, and I promise you, you will see a growth in your business as long as you're doing them well. And if you have any questions, drop them down below and I'll answer them for you. Thanks so much for watching, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button.